Hello students, how are you? I think all of you will be fine. So today we are going to learn about our NCERT book class 4 subject math chapter long and short page number 21 and 22. If you have not seen the previous video of this lesson, so you should go in description and follow the link. Here you can see the page is 21 of your book. So let's start this video. Find out how far your friends live from school and fill the table right in meters or kilometers. So here you can see a table. This one is friends name, distance of home from school. Here you can write the name of your friend and here the distance of home from school. So you can try to fill this table yourself, but I am trying to fill this. Let us consider a name of students is Rahul, and here you can write the distance of his home from school. So I suppose 1 kilometer. And next name is Ratul, and his distance is 500 meter. And next one is Munmun, that's distance is also 500 meter. And next one is Tajmeena, and distance is suppose 2 kilometer. And next one is Voinu, and her distance is 700 meter. And next is Ayushi, the distance is also 1 kilometer. So here you can see the table is filled. Now move on the questions. The question is, who among you lives nearest to the school? So you can see here the name is Ratul and Munmun. That's distance is only 500 meter. So the answer of the question is Ratul and Munmun. And next question is, who lives farthest from the school? So here you can see Tajmeena, distance is 2 kilometer. So answer of the question is Tajmeena. Lives farthest from the school. Next, how many children live less than 1 kilometer away from your school? So again you can see on the table. Some students live less than 1 kilometer. That is this 500 meter Ratul, 500 meter Munmun, and Vanu 700 meter. So the number of students who live less than 1 kilometer away from your school. So the answer of this question is 3 students. Yeah, 3 children. And next question is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometer away from the school? How do they come to school? So now you can see on the table, no one students in this table who live more than 5 kilometer away from the school. So the answer of the question is no. And the next topic is guess and find out. First, how long is the thread in a reel? So I want to tell you the length of the thread in a reel about 100 meters. Here you can see a pic of thread in a reel. And the next question is how long is the string of a kite reel? So you can guess what will be the string length of a kite reel. I think the length of a string of a kite reel will be about 200 meters. And can it be more than a kilometer long? Here we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So the answer is no, because this is less than 1000 meter. And next question is if a handkerchief is made out of a single thread, how long would that thread be? Here, first of all, you can see a handkerchief is made out of a single thread. So now, can you guess the length of that single thread? Think about it. What is the length will be this single thread? I think it will be about 3000 meters. About 3000 meters. Okay? About 3000 meters. And the next page is 22. Here you can see. I wish I were. Here you can see this is a boy and this is house. Here a bird, a kite, cloud and a aeroplane. The poem is I wish I were a kite so that I could rise above this building's height. I wish I were a bird so that I could fly and reach above that kite. I wish I were a cloud so that I could move above those little birds. I wish I were a plane so that I could rise above the clouds and the hills. So you can learn the poem and sing this. Here is given some questions. So let's try to find out the answer of these questions. Try to find out. First question is, which is the highest building that you have seen, and about how many rooms high was it? Now think about it. Which is the highest building that you have seen? I think I have seen the building is Qutub Minar. So the answer of the question is, here you can see, I saw Qutub Minar as highest building about 24 rooms high. Here you can see. Next question is, how high can a kite go? Can it go higher than the Qutub Minar? Now you can think about it. Can a kite go higher than the Qutub Minar? And what is the height of a kite can go? So the answer of the question is, this is answer. A kite may go about 75 to 100 meters high, and a kite can go higher than Qutub Minar. So you can note down in your notebook. And next question is, how high can a plane fly? Can it fly higher than Mount Everest, which is about 9 kilometers high? First of all, do you know height of Mount Everest? Here you can see the height of Mount Everest about 9 kilometers. So remember this, the height of Mount Everest is about 9 kilometers. Now think about it. How high can a plane fly? The answer of the question is, a plane can fly more than 10 kilometers high, and this can fly higher than a mountain or Mount Everest. And last question of the lesson is, have you ever seen clouds below you? I think no. The answer of the question is no. I never saw clouds below me. So here you can see total answers of these questions. So read and note down. Finally, the chapter is completed. And thank you for watching.